Hello, James Wooldridge here again in York with a fleet risk management nugget for you to take and use with your drivers to try and reduce your fleet costs, stop collisions, and keep those employees of yours who are on the road in one piece. Many employees who drive on behalf of their employer don't receive much training on what to do if they have a collision with a third party. It's really worth talking about and taking some time to train your drivers on what steps to take at the scene of a collision. I've talked previously about the information exchange process at the scene of accident. And there are just a few other steps that your driver needs to take if the claim is going to be effectively managed. These steps include taking a note of the number of people in the third-party vehicle, taking the names and contact details of all the people in the vehicle, taking the name and number of any police officer that attends the scene of the accident, checking that phone numbers given to you have got enough digits, taking photos of the whole of the third-party vehicle so your insurer isn't repairing damage to the other side of the vehicle that your driver didn't hit, taking photos of the position of the vehicle on the road so the collision site can be identified and revisited as part of an investigation in the future. I hope these points are useful. Those fleet operators who have used our reporting tools have saved a lot of money on their claims costs. If you would like information on how we can help reduce the size of your fleet claims, please visit fleetsafetyacademy.co.uk. Thank you.